We deliver the best quality water to your taps, but sometimes changes within the home can affect the quality of your water. It can often be related to plumbing or appliances in your property. If you are experiencing any issues with the taste and odour of your water, simply follow these helpful tips. If you notice an earthy or musty taste, it might be caused by the cold pipe being warmed, especially if it is next to an uninsulated hot water pipe. Try running the tap for a short while to flush any standing water before drinking. Medicinal or TCP tastes are commonly caused by new appliances such as a kettle, degraded tap washers, and flexible inlet pipes for washing machines and dishwashers. If you recently bought a new kettle or only notice the taste in hot drinks, try boiling some water in a saucepan and see if that solves the problem. Try isolating the washing machine and dishwasher to determine if internal appliances are causing the issue. If so, install a non-return check valve between the water supply connector and the flexible pipe. This will prevent any water flowing back to your taps. If you live near one of our treatment works, you might find the taste of chlorine, which remains in the water after treatment. This is used to keep it wholesome as it travels to your taps. Try chilling the water in the fridge, which will help dissipate any remaining chlorine. A salty taste can be caused by incorrectly installed water softeners, which results in a backflow, allowing salty water from the softener to siphon back into the drinking water system. We recommend using WaterSafe approved plumbers to carry out the work and fit softeners under the Water Supply Regulations 1999 and the British Water Code of Practice. If your taste buds detect a plastic taste, this could indicate unsuitable plumbing materials. Only fit approved materials and look out for WRAS endorsed products. Eggy or sulfuric taste or smells are a result of the waste trap of the sink affecting the perception of the water. This does not actually affect the taste in water. Try filling a clean glass with water from the tap and take it away from the sink into another room before tasting again. For more help and advice, visit our website wessexwater.co.uk/water quality.